Okay, let's start.
Okay. Let me share my screen. That screen. So yesterday after the meeting, I just continued to debug this spam assassin. I'm really frustrated because it's not working yet already. It's not yet working. I don't know how many things I've done so far. I've tried like 100 different configurations and nothing is working. I just got tired and closed. So this morning, I've just continued working on it again. I even got some video that I was very hopeful that this one is now going to work. I've seen someone integrating SpamAssassin into Postfix. I've followed his steps and still nothing works. Nothing works. So I don't know what to do next. Maybe I will try doing with Karen together, maybe from her machine or from my machine, and see if we'll be able to get any solution.
Guys,
Because
open a tab on Google and type SpamAssassin on Postfix.
SpamAssassin. Okay. With Postfix.
Did you follow something like this?
Yes, something like this.
It's not on this. Can you check this website, this rule? You scroll up.
Okay.
Click on the logo of this website. I think this is a host server, and I don't
Yeah.
see why they will show something that will not work. Can you go back? Because if you want to follow documentation, you can follow documentation for a trusted website. So these people, when they show this documentation, it's because they want you to buy some VPS from their website. So I believe they have no reason to show something that is not working.
Yes.
So if you scroll down, do you make something like this all with Chrome?
Yes, I've made something like this. I've enabled this. Let me just say.
No, yes. If you made something exact like this, or can you scroll down? Scroll down. Scroll down until the end.
Okay, this is the end.
Can you go back? Can you go back? No. Can you get out from this page? Go back, yes.
Okay, out of the page.
And the next link is Apache. Can you click there? The second one. This is the link that we have made last time. Can you go back? Try to scroll down. Okay, can you click on the server fault? Yes. Okay, this is just a question. Can you go back? I see the other one. Scroll down. It is digital on Ocean. Can you click on digital Ocean? Okay. Normally, they should have a documentation that will work
Yes.
because they are just selling some VPS, and their goal is to help you to install on their VPS.
In fact, the video is actually the same as these steps that are mentioned here. These
Yes,
steps.
but even if it is, I am not sure that it is exactly done the same. Try to go on Digital Ocean, the documentation from Digital Ocean. Okay, this is all document. Scroll down. The next step is pre-requirement, a domain. Okay, they are installing with MySQL, Dovecot, all everything. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. Okay, wait. Create MySQL on database, virtual domain, and user, and alias. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, configure the postfix. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. Just scroll, just scroll. I want to see the third step. Okay, configure the dev code. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, configure SpamAssassin. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Just continue, just continue.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down. I want to see comment. Okay, wait on that comment. Try to scroll down. I want to see another comment. Okay, this guy is having error. Scroll down. See another comment. Okay, scroll down again. Okay, scroll down. A lot of error.
Yes.
Scroll down. So based on what okay, what was this tutorial? I was able to find a very well written step by step on creating your site certificate, including this. Okay, scroll down, a lot of error. Okay, scroll down. Down again. Load more. Have to load more. Wait. No comment there is saying that they have make it this work.
Let's see. Okay.
Scroll down. But last time we make SpamAssassin and it was filtering. That was since
yes, that is the step that just goes through without sending through postfix. If I run those tests, it shows it works. It works. But if I try now to send an email now from maybe my external user or the one that now goes through postfix, then it will not be filtered.
Yes, but if you don't use the right keyword, how it will filter?
Because the email is supposed first to hit. It's supposed first to be delivered to SpamAssassin before it's saved maybe to the inbox, or it's supposed to be saved to a junk folder. Or let me just show you. Let me show you that. maybe using the file, it's easier to explain. Let me see. Sorry. Postfix master. So what happens is that we have these sockets. It's supposed to deliver to Dovecot, and it's also supposed to go through the filter. So all these others are going through, but it's not.
Yes, but where
running.
is the script that you have created on last time? The script is supposed to make down the pipe. Where is that script?
I've changed that script. I've
You
changed
cannot
it.
change it based on what? Because you have the official down document of SpamAssassin. Whatever someone show you, you need to be more focused on their documentation. Because the problem is in SpamAssassin documentation, they are saying that you need to have that script. The script is the one that will pipe everything. You have removed the script on your server?
Okay. What I meant is that in the documentation, they were saying that in this first SMTP, I should add the filter in the first line here. So this filter that I've passed here should be at this section, so that the filtering will be taking place, content filter. But I've tested with that. Still, it was not going through. So I just tried to look for other ways and see if it's actually going to work. That's why I did that.
Because on my side, if I have something that's not working, I will be more focused on the documentation instead of other thing. Can you go again on the documentation that we're looking?
Oops.
No, go on tab on Google, the Google tab that you have opened.
Okay.
The digital ocean.
I think I was checking it. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Can you go back? Can you go back? Try to go back.
The top. Okay.
Yes. No. Yes. There. Okay. Can you try to scroll down? Okay, scroll down again. Okay, wait. Try to scroll down. Scroll down a bit. Scroll down. Okay. Try to click install SpamAssassin. Okay, what do we have? Scroll down a bit. What can you try to click on this one? How to set up and configure SpamAssassin on cPanel? Yes.
This one is this. Okay.
This panel, can you scroll down? Just scroll down. I want to have. Okay, can you go back? Try to go back. Click on the zagreb.eu. Up. Just up. No,
This one?
down. Yes, that
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Okay. Try to scroll down. Yes. Just scroll down. I want to check to have idea about what they're doing. Okay, what about testing? Okay, can you scroll down? Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, what? Okay, scroll down. Okay, scroll down again, scroll down. Can you go back? Try to go back.
Up or here?
Yes, there. Okay. Try to scroll up. Tac, tac, tac. Click on download Apache Spam. Apache SpamAssassin.
Yeah.
No, down. Yes, there.
And this one will lead us, I think, to the documentation.
Yes. Okay, can you go back? Try to go back. And go back again. Okay, scroll up. Not scroll up. The top. Okay. Click on the second link. Yes, click there. You already get this documentation. Try to scroll down. Scroll down until the end.
To the end?
Yes, until the end.
Okay.
Can you click on share, testing, something like that? There's no way to test there.
A lot of testing, test plan, test categories,
Test setup.
setup.
This is still about SpamAssassin, which is for
We can't preview a document. So which kind of document is this even?
yeah. Okay. Can we see information inside?
There's nothing. It's just some file.
Setup.
Which kind of file is this even?
Okay. Okay, try to close it. Let's go back. Let's try to find strategy. Close even this. Close this. Okay, go back again, please. Yes. Click on the first link, that first link, the view to doc. Yes, that one. Where you say that you have followed this documentation and it seemed like the video one, right?
Yes, it seems like the one in the video because I was I
Okay.
remember editing all these and adding these.
Can we check
And
very well if there is something that maybe it's not in the video. Maybe they are the same at 90%, and maybe try to check very well and see. You are using port 25, right? Opening.
Right now, because we have integrated users, I think it uses the authentication.
Because they are saying verify the server as adborn port 25 open.
Yeah, it's open.
Okay, and Postfix mail transfer agent. Get the sudo user. You have done all those steps.
Yes.
Okay, try to locate if there is if you think that you have not done.
I've done all this, like changing this to this. I've also changed this, even the enabled one, and commenting by removing and change the value from 1 to 0. I think this is different from the video. The videos, just a minute. The video said that I should change it to 1. It was actually 0. So there's a difference. The video suggesting that we
Yes, continue that, or maybe you will find another difference.
make a backup of local configuration. Okay. Paste the information below to the file. Right. Yeah, I think I have this. The bias as 1, bias rules. I have this also.
Yes, Bayesian.
Bayesian. Bayesian. Postfix configuration master.cf. Locate these entries below the SMTP configuration at SpamAssassin content filter. Yes, added this. Then this at the end of the file.
Okay, can we scroll down? Okay, you can go back, or maybe let's try to type SpamAssassin Roundcube.
Okay. One problem that is there is that when you're installing SpamAssassin, right now by default, it starts running the spamd. But all these old installations, they expect you to start SpamAssassin using these commands. If you do it, it's going to say that this service is not available. But you have installed SpamAssassin. But again, when you research, they're saying that the SpamAssassin by default is going to use the spamd to run. So when you check if spamd is running, it's running. So that's the part that is confusing a little bit.
And in their case here, they are not making even the test.
Yes.
Can you go back? Can you go back instead of no on the page? The page, yes. Try to tap SpamAssassin with Roundcube.
With Roundcube.
Yes. Okay. Can we try to click on the what? Okay. That documentation is very old. The FreeBSD one. It is
2017.
yes. No. 2009.
Yes.
BSD.
Oh, this one.
No, down.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
FreeBSD.
Okay.
Try to click on it. It's something, but in our case, it is postfix.
Yes.
But it's a very old document. Okay, just try to go back. I think this will not be very helpful. Click maybe on the first one, the first link.
Community.
Yes, it's just a forum. I think you can go back, try to go back. Installing and configure Postfix Dovecot. Try to click there, the second one. But I think this is just question. People are having issue.
Yeah. I've got. These are just like questions. And this person, I don't know, is sharing the configurations. Yes.
Can you go back? I'll try to scroll down. What?
Proc mail. This one is also 2000 and it's the BSD.
Try to click on SpamAssassin with Roundcube GitHub.
Here?
No, down.
This one?
No, down again. Yes. No. Up, yes, that one. Okay. Okay, I think you can go back. Try to go back.
Okay.
Go back again. SpamAssassin with Postfix. Try to make space and put OVH.
Like that?
Yes. Let's see what. OVH, I don't know, work on it. Try to scroll down. I think you can. Let's try to focus on the. What, can you go back again? Try to go back. I think you can also test the documentation. Yes, try to go back from the page. Yes, try to scroll down. I think you can test the documentation for, I don't know, maybe Digital Ocean.
This one.
And the documentation for Vult. I think what you can do is to try to compare those documentation for what you have done from the video, from the YouTube done video. And if you see that those documentation, some of them are different, you can try maybe to use the different one, because making videos sometimes can be hard for a developer or maybe for someone who is making the setup, but making a blog is very easy, you see. Because when a developer is working to convert his work to a video, that can take him more time than just create the documentation done like this. Because for the documentation, you will just copy and paste, you see. But for the video, you need to put camera, you need to fix all these things to make that song is good. But for the blog, it is done like you are posting a word text. And it's very easy. So maybe you can try to check this from Digital Ocean. And if you go back again, do we have, yes, and also check the first documentation.
Yeah.
Yes, because these are host company, they are selling server and VPS. So when they are giving this kind of documentation, is that because they are expecting that you can purchase a VPS from their company. You see?
Yes.
So If you go back again, try to go back. I think you have another documentation. Try to scroll down. Okay, server vault. That is about comment that will now help us. Trying to scroll down. The Linux base. That is also about comment. The medium. The medium. Try to click on the medium part. But I am not sure that this is technical documentation. Try to scroll down. Scroll down. Oh, this is just a block. I think this is just SEO. Oh, they have installing something.
And they're installing something here.
Try to scroll down. Let's see. Try to scroll down. What they are installing? Okay, Postfix and SpamAssassin configuration. They are serious, or this is
main.cf.
but it seems
Local.
like they have just put this kind of thing just to rank,
Yeah.
bring real value.
And they ended here. They have not even.
Yes, it seems like this is just an SEO guy who is trying to look for click. Okay, can you go back? So you can check. You will. Let's scroll down. We have. Okay, what is that website? I don't know that website. Yes, the lead node. You know,
Node, yeah.
yes. Oh, this is just comment. Because if you are unless maybe you just go here and put your case, your issue, but they don't have a lot of traffic. Try to go back. Scroll up a bit, scroll up. If you want to put your own comment, I think you will put, but that will take a lot of time. But you can still put a comment there on server vault. If you click on the second link. Yes, then if you, because this is a forum like Reddit, you know,
Yes.
server vault.
I haven't used it before, but I think it's like
Stack Overflow.
yeah.
Try to scroll down. What people are saying. I see that this is a good answer. Okay, scroll down a bit. Unless maybe you open thread here or even Stack Overflow. Okay, try to go back. So I think the next step is to try to follow. Yes, you can click there. Let's click there. And we did not click there.
Yes.
Postfix. What is this? Try to scroll down. Let's see. Try to see if they are serious or not.
Content filter, SpamAssassin, then scroll down from that.
Okay, wait. They say that individual SpamAssassin rule can be found in the file in US SpamAssassin. The content of the file is outside the scope of this guy. Okay, try to scroll down. Okay.
What's the end?
Okay. Even this company, they are selling VPS. So you will try to check those documentation and compare that with the view that you have made. And if it's not working tomorrow, I think maybe on Friday, we will move on our spamd.
Okay.
Move on our spamd.
All right.
And in the comment, what people are saying about
Comment.
this, they are saying that it is work, or they are saying
So
that
canceling different because of you. I configured my own server and it works. This
okay.
one got 4.2 at mail tester. 5.2.
That is, it's not doing something.
This one worked for him, I think. Thank you. This magically fixed the issues I was having with School Lab. And it has been helpful.
Here we are hitting 10 on 10.
Yeah, we are hitting 10 over 10 here. Though this guy also had like all the steps like from scratch, Dovecot, but I've not seen the section where he's doing the database. Oh, yeah.
Yes, but he's also doing the Roundcube. But and you said that you are follow and it's not working.
Yes, because I picked from his
Yes,
part,
yes,
part
yes.
8, part 8, yeah.
Yes, you are right, because YouTube is like this. The comment, what you have inside the comment is not what you have inside the video.
Yeah.
I think maybe in the future, if YouTube can be done able to match exactly what people are saying inside the video to the comment, that will be something good. But as of today, people that are just putting comment to rank, to have good SEO, but the video will look different. The video will look different. Okay, try to scroll down again. Some of them, they are saying that it is working. But
there's some that say that work, like this one.
and some of them, they say it's not working. I'm not seeing comment very well. Can you translate that one? Yes. This one is serious. Okay, try to see the reply. Yes. You see what?
Same person.
The same person?
Oh, the same person.
The same person will left the comment?
Yes.
Okay, but even if it's the same person, it means that maybe he came with a new idea. Okay.
Okay, so asking you, can you please give me some feedback?
And I am actually doing the report on SpamAssassin, so I have a few questions I'd like to ask. Could you give me a method so I can because many people in IT, in technique IT like this, you have people with different kind of skill. You have some newbie and he just want to install the software.
Yes.
And when he's trying to ask question, he don't really know the good keyword to use, you see, in the keyword, in his sentence.
Okay.
It's because the person maybe have he's a newbie in tech. Do you have, and also sometimes the translation, when you use Google to make the translation, the traduction, sometimes you have a gap. They say, do you have TV or Facebook? I can talk and ask a few questions. Yes, but all his comments are legitimate. Because first of all, he's trying to install and he is having issue. And then he tried to ask to that guy about the Facebook or some social media to ask some question.
Yeah.
And he say, if I do Postfix mail server according to the new video, is it 3-part or according what? According
SpamAssassin 10 video config list. I don't know which config list he's talking about.
no, scroll down a bit. It means that you have follow step and It's not working on his side. Can we try to scroll up? The comment of that Mohammed say, please can you publish tutorial how we can migrate mail address and mailbox
And
between two servers? Okay, can you scroll up? Okay, what you will do is to follow the documentation, those two documentation from Vult and maybe even from here
Digital.
and also from Digital Ocean. And let's see what we can have.
okay.
Okay, and if it's not work, maybe tomorrow on Monday you can start with RSpamD.
RSpamD.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have another thing to share?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. Let's continue with Karin.
Okay. I'll share my screen.
Hide your secrets.
Okay. So yesterday I made sure to I made sure that the steps that SpamHouse gave are followed, and then I worked on the upsell. So that's what I did yesterday, and then today I sent the removal, the request to removal to SpamHouse, and I needed to create another user, Postmaster. So this is what it is recommended. So they sent like email, and they say that they will review the request. And after that, I started.
Okay. Just one thing.
Yeah.
You send review to SpamHouse normally in real production. We don't send them anything because if you do that, they will take control of your domain.
Oh.
Your domain is your domain.
Okay.
You are free to do whatever you want with your domain. And if someone go on internet trying to act like a policeman, that is his problem. You have it is your domain, it's your thing, and that is their opinion. If their opinion is that is their opinion. So here it's because we are not in real production. Because if you do that, they will take control over you, and they will maybe ask you to pay something to start selling you some services, and you don't want to be under the control of anyone. So this is because this is not a real production on domain. Because at the moment, they blacklist your domain. The only way to do, just leave it. Wait for 1 week or 2 weeks. That is the best way to solve it. No discussion on with them.
All right.
Yes. But in this case, we are making experimentation. So we just saying that like that. They are not policemen. They are not government. They are nothing. It's just random people outside there. Because even Gmail, it's not marked to a domain like blacklist. So in that case, when ChatGPT give you some method, you say to ChatGPT, no, I don't want that kind of method because I don't want to be under control of an chess organization. I don't want to be under their control. It's like on Trustpilot, when you create a website, if any person put your link, just make research about your link on Trustpilot will create page there automatically. You see, you have your company, you have your domain, one person just shares about your domain in Trustpilot, Trustpilot automatically creates a page. But if after 7 days there is no comment, I think Trustpilot will delete it. And if you are the domain owner, even if Trustpilot trade that page, you don't need to discuss nothing with Trustpilot, because those kind of organization, they are acting like I can say that like scammer, because they are forcing you, they are manipulating you to buy their services, to buy something off from them. Even this spam house, when you have domain, they start putting that blacklist to force you to contact them. And also to contact them, they're saying that kind of thing. Okay, even if ChatGPT gives some method sometime, you say to ChatGPT, no, suggest me another solution. Okay, continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so after that, I started with a SpamAssassin. So I've just changed the master CF. I've installed and made the change on master.cf on main.cf. So here I tried to use the other one, the other method. So this is what Godric used. No, this is what Godric used. And I try this. Maybe it will work, or yeah. So I tried this, and I'm still on these steps. So I will continue on the configuration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do the first step? Did you finish with the first step?
Yes, I finished this one and also added this one. So I made some research because here, as I understand it, the before queue, it's like it is acting before even the email is arriving. So here it is, if the email is considered as spam, it is filtered and it is sent to the Spam King user. So so this is it. And so it is not like sent in the here in the spam, in the junk, but it's like immediately not received. So I was making research about it on like if it was possible. There were changes here to make it like received in the spam or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you, and what is the next step on this documentation? Can you scroll down and let's try to see? But this method work before and after.
Sorry?
I said this method work before and after.
This is for before.
Before.
This is for before.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up? Can you go back? Try to go back.
Go back here.
Yes. You are using which method?
Number 3.
This one.
Yes, but it's work. It is work
Before.
and after. It's work both, right?
Before Q or after Q. Yeah, it works both.
Yes.
Yes, that's why I said that it's work both. So you need to choose if, because no, can you go back again on from the page? So the first one that go to use is after Q. It means that you receive email and then before, no, you reserve the email. You put it in the queue to send to the end-on receiver, because when you are from, let's say from Gmail, you are hitting email on our server on technologyshop.com. Our server Postfix will receive it and put in inside the queue before don't deliver that to the email address that supposed to reside on the email. So after the queue, it will put the email on inside the queue, and then when it will be deciding to deliver to that email, that is when he will filter. And before the queue, when he just receive, and he will filter before, and he will filter and put inside the queue, and then the queue will forward it to the end on email. So click on your method now. Yes. Did you locate where we choose if it is before or after? It means that in this part of configuration, there is some place where you need to specify after or before, or maybe it can be just a number. If you put 0, it means maybe before. If you put 1, it's maybe after.
I didn't locate it yet. I think.
Can you make
it's in-
Control find? Control F.
Yes.
And let's type
Control.
yes, type after.
After
Done.
after filter.
Okay, after filter here.
And after postfix.
Or you can wait or large email via postfix after postfix. Okay, can you type before? Can you search for before? Okay. Type enter, continue. Okay, the spam T before Q content filter. Okay, this is where we make, okay, this is where we make the, can you tap enter? Again, in the conf file. Yes, scroll down. Okay. Okay. I think this is where the conf is there.
Yes.
Before filter spam, okay, here. Pass it to the content filter on local port. Okay, we have all them here. Okay.
And after here, yeah.
Yes. It means that here for okay. What is the difference between those conf? Because the after and the before will be configured here. It seems like both will work together, or you need to choose one of them.
I think they'll work together.
Okay. Okay. In this document, Karin, where is your next step?
So I am where's the so I'm here. I just created this spam header check file and added this line. So I am continuing from there.
Okay. And after your configuration, did you know how you will test it? Can you scroll down? Because the problem with this documentation, they are not putting testing part. There is no way to make sure that your conf have been done very well. And this is annoying. Can you go back from the page? On the page. Yes, maybe we will find a test here, how to test. Maybe we need to check again in this document. Maybe they have, can you scroll down? Because they're integrating. Scroll down. Look for MC integration developer. Try to click there. It is not this one developer. Reset gateway CGP. You need to watch out for some slight different in as edit to be called. Okay, can you go back? I think this is okay. Try to go back again because the documentation have no way to test it. I have account on server. Can you scroll to go down? Can I use? Can I just buy something? There's no test here. Can you? What? Adjustment to score. Try to go up again. I'm trying to find a test. Okay, because this will be a bit annoying if they are giving documentation and there is no way to test it if everything is working well. Can you try to scroll down? Just yes, scroll down. Click on the last line. Import.
This one.
Let's click there. Let's see what we have there. Nothing. Okay. Can you click on install at the end? Right.
At the end.
Yes. What you have.
Okay.
No. Okay. Can you go back? Try to go back again. I think I think there is a small problem. I think the problem is that their documentation is not friendly, and probably this is making that we are not moving fast on this project. Can you go back again? Try to go back. Because we need to find how we can test it when we make installation.
Yes.
Okay. We will let you continue with your documentation, and if it's not work, you will try our SpamG.
Okay, sir.
So what is your next step now?
So my next step is to continue on this SpamAssassin.
Okay. Do you have anything to share? Anything to add?
No, not anymore. I think that's all.
Okay. And you, Godric, anything to add?
Even me, sir, I don't have anything to add for now.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.